But I also get it, and I just want to quickly talk about that, okay? Because it is so in reality, and I'm sorry for the new traders, I know it's hard to accept, because in reality, trading is very, very boring. It's not exciting. And personally, I had to go through that grieving process, because I didn't imagine how boring it was, really. I really thought it would be Christmas every day, and I would, have some butterflies and be excited, and it's really not. It's just mechanical. You just take a trade when you should, and you don't take a trade if you should not, and yet it can feel empty at times. It's not fulfilling like we thought it would be, and also when we're like making money consistently, it also adds a little bit of boring, like, okay, I guess, I'm making money. So there's no more like ups and downs and big emotions. So you also have to check in with yourself regarding these emotions. So if you feel that you need to feel something from the markets, please do something else to fulfill that emotional gap, or to fill anything you feel that is missing. Okay, don't use the markets to do it, please. If you're stressed, if your personal life is complicated, be aware of it. Be aware that it can really influence the way you trade and what are your expectations. Okay, so maybe tighten the risk and reduce the amount of trades you're taking. Okay, take care of your account. So risk management first. It's not how much you can make, it's how much you can lose or you are willing to lose. We always think about money, making money. That's why we started to learn how to day trade. We want to make money. But if we want to make money, we have to be willing to lose money. And that's the tricky part. Yeah. Yeah, the markets won't fill any void. So consistency and discipline in trading, that's another thing. Like I always say, we naturally suck at trading a lot, and we naturally are not designed to be disciplined when money is on the line. So that's also a scam, thinking that, no, I'm a very disciplined trader. Like it will not happen to me. I will never back hold. I will always respect my profit target and blah, blah, blah. No, it's not true. You suck at this, you don't have discipline, and you're very human. The brain is not designed for that at all. It goes against all of our humanity. You're not different. Okay? You're not different. Nobody's different. We're all the same. Nature, exactly. Brain is not designed to embrace risk and uncertainty. We hate that. We want to make sense of the environment. Okay? So knowing that, okay, I will suck at this, I will not be disciplined, so now what? Now you design a system, okay? So one of the biggest keys to success is consistency. In consistency, I mean consistently doing the right thing. If you're running a business, how would you like your business to be run? Okay? You need to take good trading decisions. You need to be consistent in the way you operate your trading. You're not a gambler if you're approaching the market systematically with a roadmap, by the way. This is not gambling. This is trading. Consistently doing exactly what you should do, the same way, with the same risk. okay, at the beginning. And then when you grow, of course, and you have setups that you really, really like with a nice reward to risk, you can at some point add more to your position, risk a little bit more, but that comes with data, with time, with experience, okay? So we're not talking about adding, we are developing our game, okay? We're just working on being consistent in following the rules. So, consistency matters because it will smooth the winners, the losers, and it's gonna create results that you can measure. And that is very important, because if on every trade you start and change anything, now it's a new set of data. Okay? It's not the same one. If you take some setup, okay, setup A, and you have the rules for setup A, and every trade that belongs to setup A, you have your folder, you have your journal for these trades, you have your screenshots. But if you move your profit target, it's not good anymore. You cannot keep that trade for your data. And that is the part that takes the more time, is to gather that data that will bring you confidence, trust, and conviction. I know you want to go fast. I know you want to make money. You want click buttons, you want to enter trade, you want to feel the emotions of making money, you want to be in the markets. I get it. But please take your time. Sim trade your system. Build it. Have a trade book. So many traders, me included, start trading without a clear trade book. And be patient enough to test it many times before you change anything. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series, and don't forget to like and subscribe.